Hey folks, this episode is sponsored by City Traders Imperium. Now, what you might not know is CTI has the best funded account conditions up to $2 million, which is the most in the industry. Now, go check out the video I recorded with them to learn more about their incredible package where Trading Nut listeners get an exclusive deal. It includes access to their high-performance trader mastermind and funding program. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or above and go check out that video. Alright folks, here we are on Trading Nut YouTube channel. We've got PJ Billionaire in the house who's about to walk us through a couple of his trade setups here, or maybe just one. What are you going to do, one or two?
It don't matter, just tell me when to stop.
Okay, cool. I'll tell you when to stop. Alright, let's jump into your chart and see what you've got to share with the guys today.
A lot of people tend to look all the way over and then just be like plotting like lines up on top of lines on the chart, right? I'm not that type of person. I'm the type of person to understand, okay, where's the market right now and where is it, what caused it to be here, right? So currently the market is in this area right now, so I tend to look to the left of the chart, totally see, okay, what caused it to totally be here? And based on that, I'm able to understand that, hey, the market is in a specific direction now, and I'm able to trade that specific direction for a little time, right? So currently, if I'm looking at this right now, it would be a situation like this where, so the market was in an upward move like this, right? Then the market broke below that overall upward move. Now, it breaking below that overall upward move and us being in this area right now, we need to understand what caused it to not actually fly back all the way up, right? So we can look to the left and we see that, oh, these little areas here, the market basically break below this area here, right? And then the market is like the market pushed up here, break below that area here, come back to that area here, right? And we have this entire area that we can actually focus on, and we need to understand that, hey, we have this free area here that we can actually tumble down to, right? So let me go back to this chart now. We came off the chart just a little bit. So we have this free area here that we can actually tumble down to, which is what I caught $1,000 on that Friday, $1,027, right? So let me just go into the bar replay function now, just to show you what I actually mean by this. So me understanding that, hey, the market is in this area right now, and on Friday the market did this, where the market was here tricking a lot of people. Like the market was just pushing up to this area here, right? And a lot of people were like buying and be like, oh, I'm expecting the market to go all the way up just because they probably saw these floor levels right here, right? They saw these bottom floor levels, right? So the market, so they started expecting the market to go all the way up here. So, but that wasn't the case. Like we have to understand that we're looking at current price action. What is to the left? We're at the right now, and we're looking at this area as a magnet for the market to come back down, and then we'll probably tumble over. You following me? So that's what you really look for in the market whenever. Then you tend to just understand the different price action now. So the market is in the area right now, so you need to start understanding the price action now in terms of what will cause the market to actually push down. So you need to start seeing sellers coming into the market now. So I start monitoring that, at the area to actually take a specific entry at a specific time of day. This is New York session. US dollar move in New York session. It's New York. New York is in the US, right? So I understand that this moves in New York session. So once you start seeing entry confirmations for the market to actually push, I'm going to actually be taking an opportunity. So normally my entry would have been somewhere up here because all of these areas are being rejected at this area here, right? All of these areas are being rejected. So it's a situation like this where the market break and it is just rejecting this area here and to push, right? So the sellers have a lot of control here to actually push the market down. So I actually got this entry from up here, here on this little small rejection candle here within this overall area. I got this entry here from like here. My entries are normally like that. And then what I tend to do is I put my stop loss outside of the range, outside of the area here, outside of the range, and I'm looking for at least 3 times what I stand to lose. So 1 to 3, which is here, right? So that's what I'm actually looking for, 1 to 3, right? So once I'm able to actually get that from the market, so let me just, I'm out. Cool. Made my money out. I'm just chilling. Cool. So
Yeah.
that's what I'm actually really just looking at in terms of that. And all I need is just 1 trade per day. So all of this, I never needed to catch all of these little things because it's kind of too risky for it to just be, in the market every minute trying to scalp. That's not me. I just going big and get out big. Cool.
Cool. Right, guys, so the second trade, we're going to do essentially a replay challenge on TradingView. So there's a TradingView replay challenge here for this video. So guys, go and check it out. Right, we're going to share your screen again and have a look at it. Let's do it. Hey guys, quick message from my sponsor, Sage Capital. Now, they provide education software and tools needed to increase anyone's ability to trade more successfully. Perfect for people who are either still learning, too busy, or just want to use professional grade strategies to build passive income. They've achieved high returns with relatively low risk and are available for auto copying today. Go to sagecapital.co.uk or click the link above and start auto trading today.
All right, so me looking at the chart right now, right? I like to, look at the chart from the higher time frame perspective. I like to just understand the overall move of the market, right? So me just looking at this right now, I would understand that, hey, we're here right now, we broke above this area right now, and we're looking to this free area here. So we have a free area here that the market can actually push up to, right? Which is that free space area, pulling back, right? So other free space area here that the market can actually push up to. Then I'm like, okay, how many pips can I actually get out of this trade? So me looking at this like this, I'm like, oh, that's like a 300 pip move, right? Then what I tend to do is I need to understand that, hey, the market pushed up here. So the market pushed from this point to this point here. So I understand that the market is in a specific area right now. So the market is in between this area right now, like here. And the only way I would be looking for the market to actually sell off is if the market actually broke below this point. You following me? So the market break below this point, sells. But as long as we're above here, I'm looking for buys because this overall area is a free area that we can actually move. You following me? So, all right. So I'm not going to take these big candles. I know a lot of people going to take them. I'm like, I'll take them. No, that's not. All right. I'll wait for the market to come and give me a nice little sexy candle for me to chill. Plus, a lot of people not going to realize that, hey, you have these areas on the market. These areas on the market that can cause the market to, that's why I do a rush trades. That can cause the market to push back down before it push up. That's why I do rush trades. A lot of people rushing the trades and then boom, they enter out an area that, you get me? So you say the market push to this area and then push back down. So a lot of people would rush it and try to enter, they're late, try to enter up here. Market pull back down, they end up losing money and they're like, So I'm the type of person that I tend to wait on the market to actually give me something nice to actually start moving. So what time of day is this? Just wait a little bit more. You have to just be patient. Some of these you're going to want to just rush in and jump in like, no, that's not me. So what I tend to do is just wait a little. Just wait a little. Yes. So I'm able to start getting in the market now, somewhere here. So if the market pushes up above somewhere here, stop loss below this area here, right? I'm able to, 1 to 3, at least 3, 2, 3, 3. Yeah. So.
It's already taking you in. Would have normally taken you in at that point?
It all depends, man. It all depends on when I'm in the market.
Because when the TradingView thing already takes you in because you're
my stop losses aren't usually this big, but I'm just example purposes. You just have to be patient, man. Patient. You give it enough breathing room to actually move. So we're still above the area.
We'll get you on the replay challenge as well, the TradingView replay challenge at some point in the future.
Wait, I should do that?
Yeah. We should definitely do that. Where you can do this on a live stream.
Oh yeah. So that's good. This area right here, we could have gotten more inches right here as well. We could have gotten more inches right here. Could have gotten more inches right there. Right? Market pushing. And based on those entries, I'll get my 1 to 3 long time. And you know, almost.
It's getting there.
By this time, my stop loss would have probably be below here.
Right. Okay. So you would move your stop loss, even though ironically in the show you said you don't move your stop loss.
I don't usually move my stop loss, right? But I would have probably move it there if I'm like going on the road. I'm like, no matter, or I would just close out. I would just close out. It don't really matter to me. You get me?
Yeah.
Yes. So but
at that point, it's more than 1 hour. So I mean, you're all good.
So I'm not gonna let the market just come back against me. Like that's not me. I'm not gonna do that. That's not me. So the moment the market did that, I'm out.
Yeah.
Right. So I'd be out of the trade already. So I'd get it from. Although it's going to go up more, but it don't make sense. I give away all of this profit for the market to come back down. That don't make sense. Right. Cool. So I'd be out already though. So
do you want to play that out and see where if it gets there or not? We'll quickly, if it breaks that low again, we'll stop. But does it get to your 3 to 1? Yep, it does. Well done, mate. Hey, look, guys, that's a fantastic little walkthrough there. Great to do it on the replay challenge as well. So we'll get you on one of those future shows where we actually do this on a live stream. Look, before we wrap up, what's the best way for the guys to get hold of you?
Follow me at Pajama Billionaire on Instagram. You can follow my YouTube as well at Pajama Billionaire. I post daily vlogs on a day-to-day basis to motivate you all, to show you all it's possible to make a living from trading, and I show you all how to invest that money so they can live abundantly and become wealthy. Awesome. Y'all know the vibe.
Cool.
Be sure to get the merch.
We've got merch coming here on Trading as well, guys. Now, look, do remember subscribe, hit the like button, and also hit the notifications bell as well. Click all to make sure you get videos like this in the future. And if you do want to catch the full interview that I did with Pajama Billionaire, link is below the video as well, guys. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.